YInMn blue. So I was on the interwebs as you are, and I came across this colour. It's blue. Not just any blue though, ignore the mess in the background. It's the first new shade of blue to be discovered in 200 years. That's a pretty long time. But don't take my word for it, here's my flatmate.
Hey Liv, is 200 years a long time?
Well, you heard it here first, folks. YInMn blue is also known as Oregon blue or Mass blue, discovered accidentally by Professor Mass Subramanian and his graduate student Andrew Smith. And obviously, as we know, all great things are accidents. So YInMn blue is named from the composition of the oxides that it's made from, and that would be yttrium, indium and manganese oxides, and when you slap them in a furnace you get this amazing shade of blue. So at first I was like, yeah, I can make that, especially since you seem to be able to get yttrium oxides from Alibaba.com. But then it turns out that yttrium oxide is kind of toxic, it's a inhaled hazard, and since it looks like sugar, there is no doubt that I'll probably consume it like so by accident. So I'm gonna go the other route and not do that. The next best thing was probably going to McDonald's, but then I thought, you know what, I think I'm just gonna try and make paint instead from scratch and see how that goes. And turns out that they are an invasive species called Rhododendron ponticum actum 04.jpg.
I think it's time to blow this thing, get everybody stuff together. Okay.
So I brought them back and I put them on my desk because B-roll. I never said it was good B-roll.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Smashed. I also decided to try once more with a lot more flowers and a little bit less water. So I just got this app. There is a light sensor right here and it will tell me the light levels. Without anything, that light level is 1646. First batch. Stabilizes at 578, 455. And just before you guys start going, oh, but the liquids in the bottles are of different heights, so it would have been affected and it's not a fair test. Well, the darker liquid is lower than the lighter liquid and it still blocked more light, so what have we learned from all of this? Well, flowers are fun, I guess. I am not colorblind as it appears, all puns intended, and that art really is very, very subjective, and I think this piece is an absolute beauty, and it's not only just a sketch, it is a representation of the new advances and development in science, and that's always great. I'm doing a thumbs up, but obviously I forgot that this is okay.